Hi and welcome to this week's project. An unusual place for me to start here, straight into the project already. I'm going to be casting an inlay for the top of a wood-turned box, and this is me using aluminium flow resin and leaves in a mould really. That's me demoulding the first lot that I did. I did do another lot, but I didn't film those ones. I'm now casting them with some clear aluminium resin. Just about ½ an inch the resin is on this. Onto the lathe now. I'm starting to shape the box. It's about 6 inches long, 4 inches wide, which was a bit big really. After the fact I realised. I'm just doing the bottom here, ready to turn it around and put it into the chuck. That's it turned around now, and I'm just starting to get it ready for the lid, finish off the rounding, and working on the top of the box, the top of the lid, really ready for the inlay to go in. Still struggling with the tools. I think I use every tool I've got when I do these things. And I don't think I was really ever truly happy with the finish of it. Okay, that's the lid off now. I'm just starting to clear out some of the wood from the inside of the box. I struggle using the Forstner bits with clearing out, so I tend to find that if I start at the smaller ones and work my way up, it works a lot better. I didn't take all of the inside of this out. I did a lot of it using the carbide tools. I actually quite enjoy doing this bit. That's me just trying to fit the lid now. Now I'm clearing out the rest of the inside. I've been practicing quite a bit doing the insides of boxes and stuff like that, I was never truly happy with the finish, but this box did actually finish not too bad at all. Project, it looks quite quick, but it actually took me pretty much all of the day to do this. starting to get the lid ready for the inlay now. And this is me practicing using some of these tools here. Not that successfully, but I need to just keep having a go at them. Trial and error, they say. I've actually glued it in at this point using a bit of epoxy. Oh, my dad had popped in for a cup of tea. This was me back a little bit later, just finishing it. The epoxy resin, actually, because I didn't finish the wood on the inside of the inlay with sand sealer or anything like that. As soon as I put the epoxy on it, it obviously soaked into the wood and darkened it, so there was a couple of marks on the top. Me sanding the outside now and finishing it. This was finish number one, I think. I think I had to do it twice because I just wasn't that happy with the outcome of it. But as they say, trial and error. Just keep going until you get it looking like you want it to. I used sun sealer, I think, and then I used, I think I'd probably use Yorkshire grit, and then I would have finished it with a wax. I did some more green leaves here, and I thought I would actually try something a little bit different. So I glued some of these on the outside. Just using a bit of epoxy. Okay, welcome back. Well, welcome really. That's the box finished. It's just something a little bit different I did. It's not the best made box I've ever made. It's a bit chunky, but I just wanted to really try something a little bit different. And I quite like the look of the leaves. It's just different. And then that's the lid. I'll put this on so you'll see how that glows. They really stand out, the leaves, with their flow green resin. I quite like it. It's just a bit different, isn't it? and then that's the front. Oh, don't know. Try not to get it too close. That's the leaves in the top. So yeah, quite pleased with how it came out. Like I say, something a little bit different. I just wanted to test out maybe combining a bit of resin with wood. Now I've made a few more of these different tops with different colours and stuff like that, and I think they're getting the right project. I think they might look quite nice. So, well, you'll probably see me doing stuff like that in the future, but I think I'd do it on a lot smaller scale, really half the size of this box. This wood was a wee bit big. But anyway, hope you enjoyed. If you did, give me that thumbs up. If you didn't, give me the thumbs down. I shall post a couple of pictures after this, just so that you can see it a little bit better. And thanks very much for watching.